Nestled in Coburg, northern Bavaria in Germany, Waldrich Coburg stands as a global leader in the manufacture of large precision machine tools. From vertical bridge mills to heavy turning lathes and grinding centers, their equipment forms the backbone of heavy industry manufacturing, power generation, shipbuilding and aerospace. Founded in 1920, Waldrich Coburg has built a reputation for precision, performance, and durability in machine tool building. Today, they create machines designed for maximum rigidity, high accuracy, and industrial longevity. Their product lines include gantry mills, vertical turning lathes, VTLs, and horizontal boring and milling centers. Clients in sectors ranging from heavy-duty engine manufacturing to wind turbine production trust these machines to handle the largest workpieces under the most demanding conditions. At the heart of each Waldrich Coburg machine is the use of hydrostatic guideways, massive machine frames, and advanced CNC control. This combination delivers exceptional accuracy even when machining giant components. For example, their vertical bridge mills are capable of machining large die sets, turbine housings, and colossal structural components, achieving flatness and tolerance that smaller machines cannot match. The company emphasizes, "There's no job too big," a statement backed up by real machines that measure many meters in travel, weigh tens of tons, and handle complex 5-axis motion and workpiece handling. In a typical facility using a Waldrich machine, the workflow begins with loading the massive raw workpiece onto the machine bed, often using overhead cranes and special handling fixtures. Workpiece geometry and fixture setup are validated through sensors and probing routines, enabling full confidence before the heavy cuts begin. During machining, the massive spindles, powered drives, and rigid structures allow high metal removal rates while maintaining minimal thermal distortion and high geometric precision. When turning or boring large components, the vertical lathe versions provide stability by allowing gravity to act favorably on the workpiece, reducing deflection and vibration, a key advantage when near-net shapes are demanded. Waldrich Coburg machines are used in shipbuilding for propeller shafts, engine casings, in power generation plants for turbine housings and rotor assemblies, and in heavy machinery for mining and construction. Each machine enables fewer welds, higher integrity, and faster throughput by making large components in one setup rather than multiple smaller steps. For manufacturers, this means cost savings, improved quality, and reduced delivery time, all essential in high-demand sectors where downtime is costly. What sets Waldrich Coburg apart is not just the machine size, but the ability to customize every system to the customer's part flow, workpiece size, and industry requirements. They provide machine installations, retrofit services, remote diagnostics, and lifecycle support, so the machine remains productive for decades. Whether upgrading controls, adding new heads, or integrating robot loading, Waldrich offers a full solution, not just a machine. Precision is in the DNA of Waldrich. All machines are engineered to minimize deflection, maintain tolerances under load, and deliver repeatable results across long production runs. Their use of hydrostatic bearings, pre-stressed structures, and temperature-controlled environments ensures that even the largest parts are machined to fine tolerances. For companies building parts that must last for decades, such as offshore structures or power plant turbines, this reliability is indispensable. As manufacturing evolves, Waldrich Coburg continues to integrate digital tools, machine monitoring, predictive maintenance, automation, and data analytics into their equipment. The concept of large machine tools remains relevant, but they must now be smart, connected, and optimized for global supply chains and digital-first operations. This fusion of heavy engineering with advanced control systems ensures Waldrich machines remain at the forefront of manufacturing capability. From the design board in Coburg to the factory floor where massive components are shaped, Waldrich Coburg machines bring size, precision, and endurance together. At EMO 2015 in Milan, Okuma introduced their MULTUSU 4000. A high-performance turn mill center engineered for multitasking, combining turning, milling, and drilling in one machine. With its advanced design, the machine enables components to be completed in a single setup, reducing handling, time, and cost. The MULTUSU 4000 supports a maximum turning diameter of 650 millimeters and turning lengths up to 500 to 2,000 millimeters. It features a 240 degrees B-axis and a high-speed milling spindle, enabling genuine 5-axis machining and complex contour work. Equipped with a lower turret, optional sub-spindle, and a spacious tool magazine, 40 to 80 tools standard, it's designed for both flexibility and high throughput. This machine is ideal for demanding industries, aerospace, automotive, energy, where components are large, geometrically complex, and require tight tolerances. By integrating turning and milling in one unit, manufacturers can shorten lead times, improve accuracy, and increase productivity. Watch how a flat sheet of aluminium transforms into a precision-spun component in under 3 minutes. This is aluminium metal spinning, a process of speed, heat, and precise motion, delivering lightweight parts for industry and design. The blank is mounted on a large lathe, heated or softened, and then pressed into shape by rollers or tooling heads while the workpiece rotates. This process yields smooth contours and minimal material waste, ideal for components requiring concentric precision and surface finish. Metal spinning is used for sectors from lighting and architectural bowls to automotive and aerospace parts. Within minutes, the aluminium blank emerges as a finished product, polished, formed, and ready for finishing. This method shows how speed, material efficiency, and machine control combine to produce premium parts.